Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is the continuation of my previous video where I demonstrated exercises for 0 to 2 weeks postpartum. If you have not seen that video, I'll put down the link in the description below. Today I'm going to show you some exercises that you can perform in 2 to 4 weeks postpartum. The goal is gentle mobility and reactivation of your core. Before we dive into the exercises, important note, you're going to continue your 0 to 2 weeks exercises and this is just an add-on. So let's start. You're going to lie down on your back and your back should be flat on the bed. Now from here, you can also place one hand on your stomach if you had a C-section, just for some support. Now from here, just slide your heel slowly, extend it completely, one heel at a time, then bring back. Switch other side and bring back. Now when you're doing this exercise, focus on your breath. Inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth, listen to your body, you don't have to strain yourself. If you just go for 5 reps and you feel it's sufficient for now, just go for 5 reps. And if you feel it's just easy peasy and you can go for 10 reps, and go for 10 reps. So we are going to go for 10 reps each side. So slide and come back. Switch other side, come back. So right and left is 1 rep. Like this, we'll go for 10 reps. Slowly slide. And relax. The second exercise is pelvic tilt. We are going to work on the mobilization of your pelvic joint. So what are you going to do? You're going to stay in the same position. Now usually when we lie down, you will see there's a curve in between your back and the floor or on your bed. So the goal is place both hands on your pelvic bone. You can palpate something bony structure. Now from here, go for a tilt. Rotate your pelvic backwards. So when you feel the space, when we started there was a space in between your back and the floor, but now when we tilt there won't be any space. That means you are in the right direction. Hold for 1 to 2 seconds, breathe in, breathe out and then go for a curve. You can feel the space in between your back and the floor and relax. So we'll just go for 10 reps. So tilt in and out is 1 rep. So in, and relax. The third exercise is cat and cow. This is very important exercise to stretch those upper back muscles because when you're holding the baby, you usually slouch, you round your back, or when you're feeding, your back is usually rounded. So the posture is very important. This exercise is going to help you relax those tension and it's going to release that strain. So for this one, get in all 4. Now your arm should be right under your shoulder and your knee should be right under your hips. So we are going to go for cat. So look up, breathe in, and then cow, make a curve. And relax. Do these exercises for at least 10 repetitions and twice a day. Do some walking at least for 10 to 15 minutes. You can divide throughout the day. Listen to your body when you're performing these exercises and also to your doctor. I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to perform exercises for 4 to 6 weeks postpartum. Till then, take care. Bye.